Hey guys, so I have another taste test for you, and today it is more Valentine's Day candy. All of this was found like over in the Valentine's Day candy section, so if you're looking for it, that's where I would go to find these. So I think the first thing we're going to start out with are these truffles from Sherwood. We tried something from Sherwood last time, the fudge that was in the box, and I was not a fan of it, so I'm kind of really hoping that this is better. These are just premium milk chocolate, and 4 come in the pack. So I think they're just like cocoa truffles. I think they're also supposed to be like similar to, what are those other ones that look like this? Yeah, Lindor's. So I love Lindor. So we'll see. Wow, this is huge.
Wow.
It smells good. Roof off in fall, I think.
Tastes like it.
These actually taste like Lindor mint. Not mint, just Lindor. It's not bad. The center is just like more creamier chocolate. Pretty good. I give that, surprisingly. I mean, you only get 4 in a pack, so I don't know how they compare to like a Lindor, like a pack of the Lindor mint. Why do I keep saying mint? So you only get 4 in a pack, and I don't know how they compare to like Lindor chocolate, but they taste really similar. And surprisingly, these are a whole lot better than those fudge that we had previously tried from that company. I would rate those like a 7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Like they're decently good for being like a, not really a named brand. The next thing we have are the Fudge Hearts, soft creamy fudge in a rich chocolatey shell by Palmer. I've noticed that like a lot of the Palmer candy is basically the same thing every season, just in a different shape and a different wrapper. But I don't think we tried this during Christmas or anything. So, be interested to see. These are cute.
Cute.
You get like a decent amount in the bag. Super cute. Actually looks like a heart. Truthfully,
Tastes like the regular ones.
yeah, it just tastes like a milk chocolate piece of candy. And I've gotten into the fudge, but I don't taste a difference. Like I can see a color difference from the fudge in the middle to like the shell on the outside, but I don't taste a difference. It just tastes like Palmer's milk chocolate. I give that a 4 out of 10.
Yeah.
I'm not a huge like just basic Palmer's chocolate fan. I like it to have other aspects of something else in it. So the last 2 things that we're going to try is by Russell Stover. I saw these, which I've gone to a lot of Dollar Trees, and this is the first time that I've seen these, but I saw someone haul them on the Facebook page that I'm a part of. So these are the Russell Stover itty bitty hearts. There's supposed to be 50 hearts in here. Approximately 50 hearts. I don't think I've ever had just like Russell Stover's plain, oh they're cute, like plain chocolate. I've always had it like with something else in it. So these actually also look like little hearts. Oh, these are good. These kind of taste like dark chocolate a little bit.
Yeah, they do.
It doesn't say dark chocolate. It doesn't say milk chocolate either. Yeah, it does say ingredients consist of milk chocolate. So they are milk chocolate, but I think this is a cute little thing to give with like a card to somebody. It's different than like this, which I think this is also cute too, but like this just looks like you spent more than $1. This looks like it probably was maybe $1 because it's so small. But those are pretty good. I'd give those like an 8 out of 10. The last thing we have to try are these, and I always see these, but I've never picked them up before. It's the Russell Stover Fine Assorted Chocolates, and I'm guessing there's 4 in there. So, this is what the box looks like, and the back just says calories 270, serving size 4 pieces. So when you open it up, ooh, it's packaged nicely.
Oh, has it got the thing on it?
No. It doesn't say what these are, so you're gonna go in blindly.
Oh, I don't want that one.
That one's probably peanut butter.
Oh, are you sure? I thought it was like coconut or something.
Those are probably dark chocolate, and that's probably mint. So this is what they look like. Pretty cute. So the first one we're gonna try is this one.
Okay.
I'm guessing it's probably like a peanut butter cup.
Oh, just like the chunks of peanuts.
She hard. Oh, got it.
Oh, maybe she's a crunch. No.
It's got coconut in it.
I told you.
I'm not a fan of coconut, so. Oh. Oh, it's getting worse as it's sitting in my mouth. Oh, that's a bad flavor. Oh, it tastes like burnt coconut.
I hate that.
It's in my teeth. The only thing I'm slightly sad about is it doesn't tell you what these are. Like, you just have to go in blindly. I'm hoping these aren't grossly filled with like
0 out of 10 for that one.
yeah, I'm hoping these aren't grossly filled with like raspberry or orange.
Those are actually okay to me.
Okay, this one looks like caramel, maybe.
Or fudge. No, fudge.
This one's pretty good. Is it caramel or is it fudge? Brown fudge? Whatever it is, it's good. Hmm?
What other color is fudge?
Like that dark brownish black. This is like light brown. That one was good. I give that one a 9 out of 10.
8.
I'm guessing that was dark chocolate too. So this is the other one. There's a hole in this one.
Is it peanut?
Yeah, it looks like maybe peanut butter. Like dark chocolate and peanut butter. Okay, it looks like the one we just ate, but in a lighter color.
Is it peanut butter?
It doesn't have any smells to it. Like, I can't.
I just smell chocolate.
Yes, on peanut butter. It tastes like a burnt peanut butter though. Like, it's not a good creamy peanut butter. It's like a,
Oh, it's chocolate.
yeah. I give that one a 4 out of 10.
Yeah, 4 out of 10.
And the best one for last. I think this one's mint.
Gotta be.
I'm hoping. Looks like this.
Aww,
Maybe not.
What the frick?
This looks like caramel. It's like,
Not pulling apart. Yeah, that's definitely caramel. It's
I was really
hard.
hoping for mint.
Yeah.
It's like a good caramel though. It doesn't taste like burnt or cheap.
Yeah. Good thing I don't.
It's very stringy though. I give that last flavor like a 6 out of 10.
I give it 8.
So overall, I think this would be cute to give to like a teacher with a card or something like that, because I don't know. I don't like that there's no like key in it to tell you what they all are. I mean, there's something on the front that shows you, but it doesn't say like if the dark chocolate ones are stuffed with anything, and it doesn't say like that has coconut in it. Like, so overall, I think my favorite thing were these, the Russell Stover itty bitty hearts. I thought they were really cute. And like I said, it looks like this is like maybe from CVS or something that's like a little bit more expensive than Dollar Tree. And the chocolate tasted really good. It didn't taste like cheap or like crappy milk chocolate. So if anything, I would give this the seal of Gabangable approval. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed our last little Valentine's Day food / candy haul, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Bye guys.